Hello everybody, my name is Christian Tüffers from MOND Technologies. I would like to give you a short introduction to the Euclid connector. Now the first question is, why is there a need for such a connector? If you look in today's companies who deal with substances, then typically on one side you have the experts in the areas of tox-ecotox, who work with the Euclid 5 systems in order to prepare the dossiers for the REACH regulation. On the other side, you have product managers who work with ERP systems, like for example SAP, in order to sell and distribute the substances. Now the question is, how can you keep the data between the systems consistent? And this is where the Euclid connector comes into the picture. Now how does the connector work? So typically your Euclid 5 and your ERP systems reside in two different locations, two different servers, two different data centers. The Euclid connector uses web services technologies in order to connect to both systems. With that, it is possible to search and retrieve substance data from these systems. It offers a UI which allows you to analyze the data, to find any inconsistencies and to correct them. Afterwards, the harmonized data can be synchronized back to the systems. It is also possible to regularly check if any data in the source systems has been changed and if there is a new harmonization step required. Now, what is the setup for the demo? We want to reuse as much as possible existing infrastructure. Furthermore, the technology is using a loosely coupled approach for better flexibility. The whole architecture is ready to be deployed also to cloud computing environments. This setup is a typical Euclid 5 setup. The server component resides in an application server like, for example, Apache Tomcat, and a database server like PostgreSQL Server. On the client side, you have a Euclid 5 client which then connects to the server component. For the Euclid connector, we use the same approach. The server component can be deployed next to the Euclid 5 component on the Apache Tomcat. The database component can be deployed on the same database where your Euclid DB is running. And the Euclid connector client is using the same technology in order to connect to the server application. In our demo, we connect to an SAP server, which is running on version 6 and which has the modules EHS and REACH compliance installed. Who is MOND Technologies? We are a team of very passionate and experienced IT architects. With our experience, we want to deliver intelligent integration solutions. For more information, please visit us on www.mondtechnologies.com or send us an email to contact@mondtechnologies.com. Thank you.